S. Thank you for sitting down with me for a couple of minutes.
Well, I'm glad to be here.
I have some really super important questions for you. Are you ready?
I hope so. Go ahead, Edie.
Are you ready out there in YouTube land? You better listen. Okay, they're listening.
Okay.
All right, so here's my first question for you. You work at Kern Memorial United Methodist Church.
I do.
What do you do?
Well, my official title is Program Director. However, that's a little bit
I was going to
broad.
say, what does that mean?
What does that mean?
Yeah.
Well, actually, I'm involved a little bit in every ministry of the church. And,
All of them?
well, in some way or other.
Well, that's a lot.
Yeah. Well, what I do is I help support our coordinators for the various ministries. We provide training. We provide resources. We provide information and communication, and we try to promote the ministries of the church. And I do this with a little team. And that team's called the Every Member Ministry Team. And we do
M&M.
M&Ms, yes.
M&M.
M&Ms, yes. That's close.
I thought it was funny.
Yeah, I like that. And actually, some people on our team do call us that.
Yes.
So that's okay. But what we do is we keep in good communication to help promote the ministries in the church. And
Is that so that people out there in YouTube land and local and where we live and stuff know what's going on?
that is our goal. We try to let the church know and let other people know in our community what we're doing and how they can help and how they can help others.
So, like, if I had a question about how to make a scarf, could you help me with that?
Well, in fact, we could.
Okay.
We have a knitting group that meets here. It's a circle of ladies that meet, and they're actually called the Hookers and Needlers.
Oh, let's not talk about that.
Oh, I know.
But we could. I mean, it would be fun, but that's another story for
That's
another
right.
time.
I didn't name them, but they come together and they do projects like that.
Okay, if I needed help with babies.
Babies.
I like
yes.
babies. They're fun and cute and cuddly and stuff.
Oh, I love babies. And we have a nursery, and you know, sometimes we can really use a lot of help there just to rock and love on those babies. And, you know, mamas who come here to the church for various things, for meals, for worship, for classes.
Wait a second. You said meals? We have food?
We have food.
Okay.
We have.
We'll have to talk about that later.
Okay.
All right.
But these mamas, sometimes their babies just need to be with someone else. So mama has free hands to do what she wants to do for a while. It gives her a little break.
It's kind of like babysitting, but not.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a good way to put it.
And, okay, so I have one other question for you, and this is really hard-hitting, and I think maybe you might have to think about it for a few minutes.
Okay.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color. And you are right. I will have to think hard about that.
I've known you for a while, at least as long as I've been alive, and I know you like lots of colors,
I
so it's
do.
probably hard to pick one.
It is. I like them all, but maybe I'd go with purple.
Purple? I love purple. That's great.
It's very majestic.
You know what?
What?
If you take my red dress and my blue sash and mix the colors together, you get purple.
That's right, you do.
Yeah. So, Debbie, listen, thank you very, very much for coming, and I'm sure that I'll have lots more questions for you someday. So would you come back and talk to me?
I sure would.
Okay, good. Hey, everybody out there in YouTube land, tell Debbie thank you. Thank you, Debbie.
You're welcome.
And please make sure to like and subscribe and ring that bell, ding dong, because I love that. And